Now we can start mixing all this together. Hey campers, Joe here. Well, the weather's taking a little bit of a turn. It's just a real light drizzle at the moment, but might get more rain. It's a good thing I have a tarp set up over my cot tent there. What we're gonna have bacon fried rice with jalapeno. Now I got some bacon. It's been pre-cooked before I came up here. Chop that up real quick. Got the bacon prepped. Let's get some one little jalapeno in there. Okay, just a part of one. Now, remember, the seeds and this white membrane are what are really hot. So I'm gonna trim all that out. Okay. Now let's chop up this jalapeno nice and little. Jalapeno's done. For the rice, we're gonna use this minute rice pre-cooked stuff. Get this stuff warming up. I want to get that jalapenos kind of really softened up. I can smell the jalapeno. Smells good, actually. Better get the rice in there. This doesn't take very long, especially if you have pre-cooked rice. On this one, I got the brown and wild rice. Eggs are gonna go in last. We're about ready for the eggs here. I found even like scrambled eggs, I don't scramble them and then put them in the pan. I put them in the pan and scramble them as it's cooking. Egg number one. Scramble it up quick. Egg. One more egg. I think the boys want some too. This is where I'm going to add a little salt and pepper. I won't need it on the rest of this stuff, just in the eggs. And the pepper. Put it there, there, in there. All right, when it starts getting all firming up, now we can start mixing all this together. What do you think of that, huh? And I'm actually probably just gonna eat it right here. So, gonna enjoy my breakfast in bed and take out the view. That's a nice view to look at while you're eating breakfast, don't you think? I thought so. So, I'm gonna finish this and then do something with the doggies.